Hey guys, sorry about that. I lost internet momentarily. I'm sure it's because of this cold, but we are back up and running, so we're good to go. Continuing this problem, we know that the that tangent of beta is equal to. Whoop, I changed color on us. Let me go back to blue. We know that tangent of beta is equal to -1. So beta is equal to -pi/4. All right, so we can say that our point is 6√2, comma, -pi/4. That is not the only way that we can say that, because remember, each point is not unique. So we could say 6√2, comma, 7pi/4. I'm realizing now that I said that that theta is always the positive angle from the x-axis to r. I guess that's not always true. It could be the negative angle too. So just keep that in mind. We could also say -6√2, comma, 3pi/4. Because remember, the 3pi/4 puts us in the second quadrant, and the -6√2 brings us to the opposite quadrant, which is quadrant 4. All right, so any one of these three answers would be acceptable. All right, let's take a look at B. With B, our r is equal to 2, and theta is going to actually be equal to pi. And the way that we know this, again, if we drew the picture, -2, 0 is here, so r is 2, and theta is pi, right? So a bunch of ways to write this. 2, comma, pi. We could say -2, comma, 0. We could say 2, comma, 3 pi. We could say -2, comma, 2 pi. So all of those are correct answers. All right, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to finish C and D. I want you to finish C and D. So you pause your video, I should say. Give it a few seconds. Solve, and then when you hit play again, you'll see the answers to C and D. All right, so these are the answers to C and D. Check those over. Again, this only asks for one answer. I just put in multiples so that you're aware that each point can be written in multiple ways. Especially make sure that you understand all of those angles in D and why they work. You'll notice how I put -5, comma, inverse tangent of 4/3 plus pi. So the -5 puts us in the third quadrant, but then that angle brings us back to the first. All right, that is it. Stay warm. Homework 1 is going to be the homework for tonight. You can work on that. I'll post those solutions. And it sounds like we're not going to have school tomorrow, so check back in tomorrow. I'll have something for you to do. Feel free to send me any emails with questions, and stay warm.